The Task Scheduler is a super handy Windows tool that enables users to set up programs and tasks to execute automatically. But if you're having problems scheduling with this program, check out this guide on how you can fix the Task Scheduler on Windows. Now, the first thing you should do is to restart your computer. Now, this might be a simple and effective way to resolve any minor issues with the Task Scheduler, as it can reset any glitches present in the system. But if restarting the computer does not solve the issue, you can try running the System File Checker tool to scan any corrupted system files on your computer. To do so, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press Enter to execute the command, and this will scan your computer for corrupted system files and replace them with the correct ones if any are found. You can also try restarting the Task Scheduler service. Do that by opening Services, locate Task Scheduler, right-click on it, and select Restart from the menu list. Once restarted, try to run your scheduled tasks again and see if you can now schedule them properly. So that's what you should do when your Task Scheduler is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.